This is the R7 Desview 7-inch monitor. Company has full touchscreen, 3D LUT support, HDMI 4K in and out, 1000 nits brightness, and full waveform monitoring, which is one of the main reasons why I purchased this monitor, because on the Panasonic G7 the screen is quite small, and even though it's articulating, I needed something a little bit bigger so that I could see the screen better, plus the extra brightness. And on the G7 you're looking at only having zebras and focus peaking, and I just wanted something that would allow me to have more control over exposure and the focusing. So this is the box that you'll get when it comes. This has already been opened once, just so that I can have a look to make sure everything has come as it should, and so far so good. It has. Now I've not actually used it yet, so I don't know if it's actually working, but wanted to do the unboxing. So this is the foam protective cover that you'll get, and this then is the monitor. So it's a nice 7-inch size, and again, one of the reasons why I bought this is because I'm having a bit of difficulty with the monitor on the actual camera. So let's pull this out. Now on the left hand side you'll have the HDMI in and outputs with the power. On the bottom we've got a USB slot and a 1/4 inch thread, and again on the other side there's another 1/4 inch thread. On the back is where you will put your NPF batteries. Now this battery does not come with the monitor, so you're going to have to purchase this yourself separately. I bought 2 of these on Amazon, I think for 30 or 40 quid, but they are the 8800 7.4 volt, so hopefully this should last a couple of hours. And as I said, you get 2 of these with the actual the kit that I bought. So that's the monitor in itself. So I'll place that to the side here. Actually, I'll place it there because the lighting isn't glaring on it, so I don't need that. I have opened this once before, and I apologize for the shaking. I really need to sort out a better way of doing a tabletop view. Now I'm just going to pull everything out because this box doesn't fully open, so it's going to be a bit difficult. So I'll just get all the items that's in the box on the desk. So you get the manual, you get an Allen key for the hot shoe. They call this the U disc, and this is for you to transfer your LUTs to be able to put on the monitor. You've got a D-tap cable, and you've got 2 HDMI cables. Now one is a mini and one is a micro from what I can read on the manual. You'll get a dust cloth. Now I'm colorblind, but I do believe that this is a nice shade of orange. So that is the dust cloth. And you do get a storage bag, which is handy because then this will allow you to at least put it in a bag in your rucksack or however you carry your equipment, and at least keep the screen relatively protected. Now what I would advise is getting a hard case for this, or at least buy a screen protector for the screen itself. And this is the hot shoe itself. So again, it's not an articulating arm like some of the other monitors you get online. I think it's the Field World, where you have the bracket that comes out and it clips to the side and you can articulate it. This looks quite robust, but it's considerably smaller than what you would see, which may limit the mounting options that you have, but we will try that in all good time. We will. So this is the U-disc, and then this bit will feed into the USB here. Well, so there we go. That is what is in the box. Get rid of the glare. That there. I'm going to be using this in the coming weeks for all my work, so I will give you an updated review to let you know how it's all gone. Thanks.